Hello students, welcome to the Standard 3 Literature class. Dear students, kindly open chapter 6, page number 53, The Last Dinosaur. Turn the page. Okay, now listen to me students. In a lost land of tropical forests, on top of the only mountain in the region, trapped inside an old volcanic crater system, lived the last ever group of large ferocious dinosaurs. Students, tropical means places or environment near the equator. Volcanic crater means a bowl-shaped sunken area at the top of a volcano, and ferocious means cruel, something capable of violence. For thousands and thousands of years, they had survived all the changes on earth, and now, led by the great ferocious, they were planning to come out of hiding and to dominate the world once more. Survived, able to live in spite of danger, dominate, have power or over someone or something. Ferocious was an awesome Tyrannosaurus rex who had decided they had spent too much time isolated from the rest of the world. So, over a few years, the dinosaurs worked together, demolishing the walls of the great crater. When their work was done, all the dinosaurs carefully sharpened their claws and teeth in readiness to terrorize the world once again. Awesome, amazing, isolated, to separate, demolishing, to pull or break down a building, resolute, to set your mind to do something. On leaving their home of thousands of years, everything was new to them, very different to what they had been used to inside the crater. However, for days the dinosaurs continued on resolute. Finally, from the top of some mountains, they saw a small town. Its houses and townsfolk seemed like tiny dots, never having seen human beings before. The dinosaurs leaped down the mountainside, ready to destroy anything that stood in their way. However, as they approached that little town, the houses were getting bigger and bigger. And when the dinosaur finally arrived, it turned out that the houses were much bigger than the dinosaurs themselves. A boy who was passing by said, "Daddy, Daddy, we have found some tiny dinosaurs. Can I keep them?" And such is life. The terrifying Ferocious and his friends ended up as pets for the village children, seeing how millions of years of evolution had turned their species into miniature dinosaurs. They learned that miniature lasted forever and that you must always be ready to adapt. Miniature means a very small person or thing. Dear students, you read this chapter 2 times and write down these word meanings in the literature copy and learn. Thank you, students.